11 at night?
On that side.
Don't you normally sleep?
Yeah. Hi. Not much. What's up with you? I'm making a video. Hmm?
What are you doing?
Making a video of the storm. Along with fireworks.
The fire was on that side too.
I know. I saw someone over there. But
That wasn't bad right there.
I'm mostly focusing on the storm though.
So whatever, I don't give a fuck. He's nothing. So get him back.
Hey, I'm making a video of the storm and the fireworks.
Oh, that's really cool. But no, like I said, man, there's really not much we can do until we get that footage.
B.
I wouldn't worry about me. I worry about my brother and his friends.
You saw Slim Jim?
He only likes to walk around. He got a picture.
B.
Thank you, Dad.
Anybody see Deanna? No.
Oh, man.
Come on, let's go.
There's no
Come on,
time
Ben.
No, I'm sitting out here. When I go in there, people steal my shit and the fucking cameras obviously don't work. So, did you hear what happened? Chris and fucking Eli somehow got my smokes when I went out to smoke. 5 packs of Montego Menthols.
Oh, even outside?
No.
Oh,
They
you
were
were
in my room.
outside smoking them.
No, they were in my room. And I went out to smoke for 5 minutes. And then, 2 people said they seen Chris in my room by my closet. Well, I had them in my laundry basket. They're all gone.
Okay, everybody has to go in.
I'm not going in there. We can't be outside no more either.
I know, that's stupid. How are we gonna smoke?
Well, we can go outside for smoke. We can't sit out here and chill. You know, the fuck.
I just don't know.
If you
They
just want to
said-
hang out with me and talk, we can do that.
No, fuck this, dude. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of them tonight if they don't move.
I get it. I've had shit stolen.
Babe! That is some fine ass you got there.
Thank you.
Not you! I'm talking about my boo, Brittany. Yes, Grandpa?
Star's missing.
What's the airport in there? Gotta be over there.
Isn't a company until
Huh?
isn't a company until they go.
What?
Isn't a company until they go.
Fuck too.
Just playing. He said what?
I'm monitoring the storm.
I don't mind spinning it.
Nice.
Nice.
I'ma smoke this joint and I'ma
Break you off. Break you off.
I'll be lying if I say you ain't the one. All these tattoos in my skin, they turn you off. Lot of smoking, drinking, that's the shit I'm on. Heard you not the type that you take home to mom. Is we
Fireworks
fucking
go
when
that
we leave
way.
the club or not? I ain't spending cash for nothing, I wanna see you take it
Can
off.
I use your lighter?
What?
I'm about this bottle, you gon' give me brain or no?
No.
You like the way I flick my tongue on off. You can ride my face until you dripping gum.
Come on, I feel what you want to tell
The
me.
tip and throw the dick on.
Yeah.
Last one.
Yeah.
You can let me stretch that pussy out.
Come on, man. Remember when I used to show? That's what I was showing you today.
Just a second. Hold on.
I fucking do. God damn it.
Jason, would you share with me?
I do share with you. So don't fucking start, Abby.
What? Okay. What? Maybe next smoke? Okay.
Yeah, hey, if you have syrup, go on the grass. He Oh my god, fucking take a damn hit. Jesus. Shut your mouth. You're like I have to put an damn pacifier in your fucking mouth.
Grandpa! You old whippersnapper.
I'm so glad you're not over here because I hate
Damn
fucking
right.
bacon.
That guy needs to go like that.
I could slide for it. Like Nelly.
Like Nelly.
Angel, come here.
You sucking me, I'm fucking me. Can I bring another
You ever been to Iowa City? Oh yeah.
You gon' make them
Oh, suck it!
good tonight.
I know where to stop.
Oh shit, don't tap me with a good time.
Oh, I already did, baby.
Gonna make the ass clip.
Holy shit!
What?
Oh,
Yes.
that lit up the whole and Thunder Roll.
See us all the time. Where I live.
I don't know. I didn't do nothing. I'm an incident for yeah.
I was in the derecho running into my house with my baby sister.
Everybody wants to be famous. Yeah,
The most Mother Bear instincts hit me like
everybody wanna make it.
What? Yep.
Everybody wants attention. Want you to know that they're standing right there.
I really need
So many stars, they just wanna be up there with them.
the pure terror I felt,
So they can shine
but
bright
also
and
the
show the world
motherly instincts I felt unmatched.
Oh, jeez.
they want the name and the light. Wanna be on your front street. They wanna sign autographs.
And getting
All
ready
the
to
important
the
things.
second the wind started hitting and my mom was speeding home.
Like, hold on, motherfucker.
That's what I need right there.
What?
That's what I need right there.
Damn it! Fuck.
You can't reach me.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, shit. Those are good ones over here. You can see the fucking trees over there. Oh,
Whoa.
that was pretty.
Over there too.
You know what sucks?
What?
I'm staying on metal.
That means you're gonna shot electrocuted.
We all could possibly get electrocuted.
I doubt it.
Have you noticed it hasn't cooled off one bit since the storm has rolled in? This is gonna be a powerful storm.
What?
Have you noticed it has not cooled off since the storm rolling in?
Mm-hmm. Well, it did rain earlier, too.
No, but normally when a storm like this rolls in, it cools off. This is gonna be a very powerful storm with how warm it still is down here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put it past them if they woke us up and took us to a storm shelter. Well, you would just have to walk out of your room
Yeah.
and close your door. I'd have to walk all the way over.
Oh, shit.
I'd have to walk up the middle hallway over to your hallway.
Damn.
Look over there, there's a V-shaped cloud. When the lightning strikes, you can see the cloud.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm making a video of the storm.
But you won't do the same. Black and blue.
me.
I might.
There's a lot more fucking options. Except I have my option and she's the only option.
Motherfucker!
Isn't that bad?